We are happy that we have our governor, Bob Agri Orengo. Everybody wants Bob Agri Orengo to be the party leader everywhere. We pray for him to get this position. He can perform. He has been there before us. He will continue to be there, and we trust him with the party.
A country in peace and unity can prosper. We need unity and peace in Kenya to prosper. And we, as members of the Orange Democratic Movement, we are committed to playing our role in accordance with the Kenyan Constitution, which declared that Kenya is a multi-party democratic state.